Okay, welcome back to the class. Now we are going to be looking at the count A function, count A function. The counter function is an array function. The counter function in Excel is used to count the number of non-blank cells in a range or list of arguments. Now, unlike the count function, the counter counts all data type, which includes numbers, text, logical values, and even errors. So the way to use the counter is the count A function, you type it, and then of course you pick your array. So it's an array function. The key features here is that it counts non-blank cells, as we have said, and then of course it includes all logical values. It ignores blank cells. That means it skips cells that are completely empty. Then it supports multiple ranges. It allows counting across non-contiguous ranges. Now, the notes that we need to have here is that blank cell contains formula like the empty string or spaces that are considered non-blank are counted. So if you want to count blank cells, you use count blank. And that's what we're going to do in the next class after this. The count A function is useful for determining the number of entries in data set that includes both numbers and text, such as survey, responses, or even inventory lists. So let's go into the class to see how this is done. So the count A function, as we said, counts text, numbers. So if now look at this, if I type equals count and I'm trying to count how many products we have here, it's going to give me 0 because you cannot use the count function to count text. You can only count numbers. So if I put count and I pick this, it gives me 7, which means it can count number. So for the text or number, this is what you use. Use count A. So if you select equal sign, if you type equal sign, count A, you select your range, it will count the text. And since this is an array function, it means that you can even combine other arrays of data to be able to plug in all the other data that you want. So for this, the total products is 18. So that's what we're able to find out there. We're able to find out that our total product is 18 from what we have here. Okay, so that is the count A function. It counts all values. And if you want to apply it to even count numbers, you can also use it because this function is designed to count both numbers and text. So if you are counting text, it goes. If you are counting number, it goes also. So that is a count A function. All right. So in the next session, we are going to look at the count blank, where we can count blank cells in our Excel worksheet. So see you in the next session.